Good morning, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and today is day 7. So let me move this out of the way, and we're doing Anna Griffin's Wildflower Meadows mini album kit. Everything comes all together. Remember, we haven't even used any of these because we didn't know where we wanted to put them. So when the kit is over and your pictures are in place is when I think you should put the lettering. So let's flip through this. Remember, this is a 10 by 8.5, but then the pages are 8. So this is the first one. If you missed it, the tutorial's up, and here is the back page that goes with it. Here is the second layout, and I don't know if you can see the layers. Here's the third, quick and easy everything. All the supplies are Anna Griffin, but this page was just in the kit. I am using dies and foil cardstock to make frames and this, but the embellishments, all embellishments are the kit. So here is number 4, and I'm not sure where I'm going to put that, so it's staying right there to remind me. And here's number 5. Woo, bright. I don't do a lot of bright, but it's there. And number 6 and number 7. Is that correct? Yeah. So let's pull out our page that we did and pull out the extras and get started. If you watch some of my videos, I wanted to let you know that I already did a page each time, and when I'm telling you how many supplies, sometimes I forget that we're doing a double and I'm only telling you to cut for a single page layout, so I apologize on that. So the die I used, once again, and this is the last time I'm going to use this die, is this square one here, and it's just the biggest one. It is for cards, and then this will cut your picture to fit perfectly, and this is the frame. We have other stuff coming up after this one, so let's put that there, and it is called Cardcentric Compendium Dies. So we'll put that away, and we'll go over what this looks like. It's 2 pages cut in half, just like yesterday, but this page is going to be a little different. So here is 2 embellishments here, here's 2 embellishments here, and then this glues it back together, and there is the back. So that's what we're going to work on. So let me just put that there, maybe the glare won't be so bad. So what you need to do, and I can see I didn't do it here, is cut 2 of these frames, but you see these little, I needed to poke it out. I told y'all that my mat is getting worn out, and when your mat gets worn out, this is what happens. So I need to replace that. I try to just get all the goodie out of it as long as possible. So there's that one. There is a journaling card. So we're going to need 4 of these, and this is 2 of this kind for each page. 2. One for this page, one for that page. You only need 2. And then you need 2 of this kind for each page. You need 4 of these, and they're actually going in opposite directions, so you need 2 and 2. Okay. You need this paper, and that's the back, and we're going to keep it this paper, and then you need 1 of these. So see how the layout's going to be? This one, then the green, and I'm going to keep it green. The reason why this is cut is yesterday's I pre-cut it, and I got ahead of myself. I was cutting and I was going to take this paper and use from yesterday's and swap it out, but then I realized, hey, this is double-sided and I don't need to swap out. So when you do cut a paper and it's double-sided, you already have another print on the back. So that's where I was going to pre-cut when I was making stuff, and then I'm like, whoa, I didn't need to do that. But this was pre-cut already, so I need to splice it back together. I like the look of it anyway, but I wanted to change it up and give you can make two, just like this, where you turn one upside the other side and glue it together right in the middle like we did yesterday, or you can keep it and look like this. It's a very simple, easy layout. So do we want this to go the same direction and look the same, or do we want it to go this way and then have this look like that and it still coordinate and they stick out? I think I'm going to do that because I have so many pictures that go long ways, so I think I'm going to do that. Or let's look at it the other way and do that. The good thing about this is it's temporary tape that I'm using, and I can always switch it up. If you want to save on this, then you just measure from here to here and cut it, and measure here to here, and then you would have a whole nother page to use here and not go underneath. So you could save on that. So if it goes this way, we're definitely, you know, you could also cut it and only use like a ½ inch and ½ inch and save what's underneath. So do I want it that way? I think I'm going to do it this way for today, and I'm only going to use temporary tape because I just haven't got my pages yet. So we're going to lay it like that. We're going to put that right here. We're going to have this one right here underneath. We're going to have this one right here underneath. Kind of let the leaf kind of go to the corner. Then this bigger one went right here, and we only glued it down here, and this becomes a tuck spot for your picture. And then this one turn this way and put it right there, glue it only in that one corner, and this becomes a tuck spot. So that's what we're doing, and it's done. But I'm going to go ahead, since I have you here, and just go ahead and glue it down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and go right in the middle. And I'm going to turn this, this way. So it's right in the middle, and let's make it as straight as possible. This does have sticky on the back, but I'm not sure which direction my picture is going to go, so I'm not going to worry with it. A little flyaway. So that doesn't feel straight. Twist it a little. There we go. That's straight. And where did we put it at? We started at, kind of eyeballed it, didn't we? So it's going to go right about there. Okay. This is going to go right here or right here. I don't know where you like your journaling cards. Remember, guys, you're saying, well, you're not using very much embellishments. Well, the last page I do, I'm going to show you how much embellishments we have left over, and that's when you put your pictures in and then you just embellish it as much as you want, because then you're going to be able to really knock it out of the park. This is just prepping. If you had your pictures already ready, then you could do more. But I don't ever use all my embellishments right away. because I want to make sure every page has enough, and then I can always go back, and it only takes a few minutes, and add the embellishments. Or you may want the extra embellishments. Only you, if you're going to gift this, only you know how much you used or didn't use. So I like that. It's not that we're being cheap, it's that we are just knowing that we can make other projects. All your embellishments and extra things that you have can definitely make a card to match. You know, you can do so much more. You can make a box for it to match. I have this one going this way. Did I use the wrong one? Let me see if I have the other one going the other direction. We only have like 2 pages left, and look at all these embellishments we still have. And of course I hid it, so it's all everywhere. But I don't know if I have another one like that. But look at all the embellishments we have to use. No, I do not have another one like that. So I'm just going to keep it that way. Only me will know that, or I could have put it over here, but I didn't. So only I will know that it's just a little different than the norm, but that still looks very good. So there is that page layout. I hope it gave you ideas of what you can do and what not to do. Please subscribe, like, and leave me a comment if you've been following along on each. And yeah, so we're going to make a box to gift this in. We're going to make a card with all the extra embellishments, and we'll have fun with it still. So everybody have a blessed day.